Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I have an unboxing from Love Posh. I have new products in here that are releasing today. So if you're interested in purchasing any of these items, they will be available on Love Posh's website, which I have linked down in the description with my affiliate link and also discount codes. Definitely check those out. In this video, I plan on just unboxing everything and showing you all the things. And then later today, I'm gonna have a video where I'm actually using this stuff. Because there's some really cute stuff in here and I have some fun ideas. I just got back from my trip, so I have some fun ideas on how to use some of these products in here. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox, show you all the things, do the flip throughs of this stuff, and just give you an in-depth of the products. Now, I didn't receive all the products, so definitely if you like the things in here, check out the site because there's different versions of the items that you can purchase. All right, so let's unbox, and I'll just pull the things out and we'll just unbox it together. First, you see this binder right here. I love stripes, so loving the stripe on here, and we'll go through what this is in a bit. So we have this binder, all these cute little bookmarks. Okay, this is the one that I plan on using in the next video, this dot grid notebook. That one. Oh, and then we have some of the journaling packs. These have been really cool products that they've been really coming out with recently. These journaling packs here, we have 4 this Ilysse. So we're gonna flip through those, all different themes, floral themes, of course. But let's get into these things. I actually want to unbox this one, or unwrap this one first. Let me get this one open. And then on the packaging, it does say this is a sticker storage binder. This is the chic stripe one. There is another patterned design if you're interested in something not striped, but I love black and white stripes, so definitely had to get this one. It has some nice corners here to protect the corners, little things, and then you can put a label here. And this is to store sticker pages. So look at all of these. Look at all of these. So I actually, this is gonna be perfect for when I am doing my taking apart my sticker books, because I sometimes like to take the extra sheets and give them away to patrons, but also it's a great way to organize your stickers. Say if you want to make one binder just of a certain theme, you can have them all in here. That's always a great way to do that, like get all your functional boxes in here or your seasonal themes in here. And I'll get a sticker sheet so you can see how it fits in here. But it does come with this, oh look, it has the themes right here. That you can put on this little label right here. We have functional boxes, date it, checklist, headers, washi strips, foil, wellness, budget, all kinds of categories. And then here, oh, this is cool. So this you can actually put on the tabs. I didn't notice there was tabs. And then you could label this however you want to label it on the front. But these are meant for the tabs. So there's actually little tabs here, so you can section these off into different categories here. So look at these little divider tabs here. And then you can put the categories on there and then organize your stickers with those tabs. So that's fun because you have different categories in this book. Yeah, you could do a lot with that. So let me get some sticker sheets. So I have some loose Love Posh sticker sheets that I can slip into these little pockets, and they're gonna fit perfectly in here. Look how awesome that is. And then you can move the little dividers. This will be fun to like organize the stickers in here. And then you can put a little tab here, and then this one you can label, let's see which ones are what category. Neutral, wellness, spring, holidays. I mean, this one I probably would just do deco because it's like decorative stickers. But if it was like obviously like Halloween or Christmas, you can do seasonal or holidays. So that one works better. But there's lots of different, oh no, you know what this would be? Planner Babe. This would be the Planner Babe section right here. How cute is that? I love this idea. So great, awesome sticker book. And it looks really, really nice. Oh, little thing slipped, don't want to lose that. It's all nice and organized in here, and then you can have it on your shelf. It sits nicely, and it's a nice sturdy cover. So yeah, really, really cute idea. Love this. Might have to pick up a couple more because it's it just looks really nice. And the way that I'm organizing my loose stickers is not pretty. So this will be a nice pretty option to help organize that. Okay, let's move on to the magnetic bookmarks. These are fun. I love black and white stuff, so loving the colors of black and white and the patterns on these. And I love a stripe, especially like these little thin ones. Okay, let me get my planner here that I have near me so I can label a page. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick this here and just so you can see how magnetic it is. But yeah, we're just gonna, you do a little bookmark like that, and then you'll be able to see when you close it, the bookmark right there. So those are fun. I like that. That's a cool new product, and you get 6 of them in this release. So love those, and those go with anything because they're black and white, so they go with anything. All right, so let's go into the A5 dot grid notebook. Love a good notebook, and I love dot grid. Dot grid's my favorite kind of notebook pages. Comes in this really pretty box. Let me go over here. Look how pretty even the label part is really pretty. So it's 150 dot grid pages, 160 thick paper, GSM thick paper, gold gilded edges, no ghosting or bleeding. Love that. And 2 satin bookmarks, and it is a 5mm dot grid. Okay, so look at the box, so pretty. Open this up. Look how pretty this one is. This blue one, it's like a nice like navy, well, maybe not as dark as navy, but it's a really pretty blue, and I'm loving the foil on here. There are different versions of this. I think there was like a pink one. I can't remember the other ones, but there are floral versions of these in different colorways. So definitely check out the site if you want to get this one, or maybe you want some other color ones. It's like a nice velvet material on here. It's very luxurious feeling, which I don't expect anything else from Live Love Posh. I always like expect high quality, good quality items from Jessica because she has amazing taste, and yeah, just love her stuff. So in here we have the first little opening page here with these gorgeous like florals. Love the colors. And then here's the paper, and it's just like nice thick dot grid paper. And I will be working on something in here. You have the foil on the edges, which is really nice. But yeah, I'm gonna do a journaling kind of memory keeping section in here, so definitely check that video out later today. I'm just working on filming some content since I got back from my trip, so it's taking me a little bit of time, but it will be out later today if you're interested in seeing. But we have all the pages, and then there was these little, the ribbon. Let me get to the ribbon part. Okay, so you get 2 of these ribbons to like place as like a little bookmark kind of thing, and then you get an envelope in the back, a nice envelope that you can stick stuff in. Since I plan on using this for like memory keeping, I would put like, I have pictures and stuff that I would put in here, or any like tickets or things that you get from for journaling, like all kinds of randoms. I have tons of random stuff that I could stick in here from my trip. And then you get a little loop for the pen, and then it has this loop to hold it together. Gorgeous. Feels really, really nice. Love the texture of this. All right, so that is the dot grid notebook. Really, really pretty. Okay, now let's go into the journaling packs. There are 4. There's Moonlight Blooms. We have Vibrant Flourish, Velour Garden, and Twilight Blooms. Let me take these out of the wrappers and flip through these books. They're actually packs. They're loose, so it's not a sticker book, but you could use that if you get that sticker storage book. You could use that to organize these stickers in here. Let me move my desk up a little bit so you can get a better look. But this is the sticker journaling pack, Velour Garden, and this has, let me see how many pieces are in here. There are 10 sheets in here of journaling product. So here's the cover, And then here, oh, you could even use this, the cover, as a decorative page too. It has a different feel. Actually, I like the feel of this, but you could totally use that. And yes, it's not just a cover. All right, so here's the first page of stickers here, all these gorgeous florals, the fall color scheme. Here's the second one, here's the third one. You get some of these like frame boxes with the florals. Ooh, I really like these. I like the outlines on the boxes and the headers. Actually, the outlines on everything. So you get all the functional stickers, the checklist, the boxes, some alphabets with the florals. So 2 of those alphabet pages. You get some sticker washi here. And then these are cool. So this is why I really like these packs, because you always want, like when I'm journaling and doing these kinds of things, I always want scrapbook paper. And these are nice because it's like scrapbook paper, but it's a sticker. So you don't have to worry about taping and gluing. Because sometimes when you glue and tape into your planner on the pages, it gets a little wonky. But this is pretty thick paper in these journals. So I'm sure it wouldn't be a problem, but it makes the life a little bit easier that's already sticker. You just stick it on the page. So yeah, we get 3 different kinds of patterns here. And then this one has 3 also in the color scheme. And then this is the back. This is the back page, but again, you could totally use this as a journaling page too. Okay, so that is Velour Garden. Next up, we have Twilight Blooms. I feel like this matches the color scheme of the notebook that I got. All right, so here's the first one. Oh, look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. Yeah, I love these. Oh my goodness, they're gorgeous. Oh, we got little birds. Love that. These colors, so pretty. Yeah, I like the line art birds. That's a cute addition. Here's the next page. Vibrant, pretty colors. And then the frame boxes, the functional boxes, and bullet points and checklists and headers. I really like these letters. I like some of them have the pattern inside of them, which is really nice. The next one, we have the washi, the sticker washi. And then look at this gorgeous paper, well, sticker paper. So pretty. And then again, you can use, oh no, this is, oh, I got two back covers. So now I have 2 of this gorgeous patterned, that's probably a mistake though. So it's probably not going to be a thing in everyone, but I do have 2 of these that again, you can use as paper on your journaling sheet, in your planner, however you plan on using this. But that is Twilight Blooms, really, really pretty. Okay, next one we have Vibrant Flourish. Okay, so here's the first page and these stickers. Next one, really nice corner pieces on this one. Really pretty colors. And then the frame boxes. The functional page here. We have the letters with the florals. 2 of those for the full, oh, and then the numbers too. I didn't mention that. It has numbers. The washi stickers. And then the paper. The sticker paper. Next one. And then this is the back sheet here. Okay, so that is, what was this one called? Vibrant Flourish. Really, really pretty. And then we have Moonlit Blooms. Moonlit Blooms. Ooh, sorry, missed a page first. All right, so here's the back, or the inside of the back cover, or the inside of the front cover, sorry. And then here is the first sticker sheet, the decorative stickers. These are fun, these like shapes. Those little clusters, those are different. And then more of the frame ones. Those are pretty. Okay, we got a nice neutral functional page here. The alphabets and numbers, really pretty. The washi stickers, and then the paper, the sticker paper. So nice. So there was a version of this book, or these like journaling kits. Oh, so that was Moonlight Blooms. So there's a version of this journaling kit that came out, was it during the Halloween release? I think it was more of a sticker book format, but that was the first time I've used these kind of like where it has the paper and then the stickers. It kind of has everything you need to do a journaling page. I'll link that video down in the description if you're interested in seeing like how I use those items on a page, but I will have another video showing how I plan on using this stuff in this journal, because that one, it was just a normal spread, but I want to try something in here. So definitely stay tuned for that later today. But for now, that is basically the flip through. Amazing new products. I'm really excited about this stuff. So cute. I can't wait to make that journaling page, which I'm going to work on right after I finish filming this video and editing it. These bookmarks are really cute. Again, I love black and white stuff, so that's totally up my alley. And then this sticker album book. So good. You have so much fun like organizing your stickers in here. So good. All right, so those were all the products that are releasing today from Love Posh. Definitely check out the site to see the other colorways when it comes to this sticker album book, and then the journals, because there's some really pretty covers in this collection. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Again, if you're interested, link is down in the description, and also my discount code. But that is it for now for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.